Hi everyone, my name is Jen Antunes and welcome to my channel where I come on here to share with you my passion for all things beauty. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me and I'm going to be sharing with you how I got this complete winter look with the help of my recent Stitchfix box. So if you want to see what items I will be adding to my winter closet and how I created this look, then keep on watching. So today I'm going to get ready because today is my errand day. I have to go to the post office to ship out some customer and team member rewards, deliver a couple of my customer orders, pick up a few things at Walmart, and then finally stop at the computer store because one of my boys ended up breaking one of our laptops. Yes, day in the life of a work-at-home mom. I'm going to first start off with choosing my outfit. Recently, I received a $100 Stitchfix credit for reaching Rose Circle in Avon's President's Recognition Program. I first off want to thank all of my amazing customers and supporters. I would not have achieved any of this without you. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now, for those of you who don't know, Stitchfix is a personal style service where you can choose to receive what they call a fix when you want. Or you can subscribe to monthly, bi-monthly, or seasonal subscriptions. Each time you receive a fix, you'll be charged a $20 styling fee, which will actually be applied to your total order of any of the items you choose to keep. So when you sign up, you'll be able to go through their styling quiz, let them know your price range. You can even create a Pinterest board that you can attach to your Stitch Fix profile of fashion pieces that you like. Once you schedule a fix, the stylist will then go through your profile and whatever note you may have left, and then pick out fashion pieces for you, which they will ship to you for free. At that time, you'll have the opportunity to check out what you received, try the clothes on, and decide whether or not you would like to keep any of the pieces. You'll have a couple of days to decide, and then you can check out your order and decide what items you will be keeping. Then whatever items you choose not to keep, you can just ship back for free in an envelope like this. As you can see, this is going to be one of the things I'll be shipping off at the post office today. Now, if you are interested in learning more about Stitch Fix or if you would like to sign up, I'm going to provide my referral link in the description box down below for you. And you will receive a $25 credit by using my referral link that you can use towards your first fix. Now, let's get into my recent box and see what pieces were sent to me to update my winter wardrobe. So here are my first two pieces. I really enjoy the top. It feels soft and I love the length of everything, the sleeves and the shirt as a whole. The leggings are thick and overall feel nice. However, I don't really care for how my legs look in them. And to be honest, I don't see myself spending $78 on this. Here is my second outfit. I have to say I was pleasantly surprised in how much I love this cardigan. When I first saw it, I originally thought of sending it back. But once I tried it on, I fell in love with it. The pockets will become handy, and my favorite part is the soft material. It has some weight to it, but it's still breathable. It's a perfect versatile item to add to my winter wardrobe. This was probably my favorite item that I got this time. The material is super soft and it's super comfy. I love that the sleeves go past my wrist and that the back goes past my butt. The only concern I have is the sleeve has a hem that's a little snug on the arm. Where it's located is a little odd in my opinion, but it's something I can deal with. I'm not a big turtleneck wearer, so I love that the neck area is loose. Like I said, I just love this piece. Okay, so here is the last piece I received. I have to say I am super disappointed in how short the length of it is. I like my shirts to go past my hips to ensure my stomach stays hidden. But other than that, I do love this item. It's my favorite color pink. The material was breathable and it would have been perfect to wear this winter. Okay, so I have my outfit picked out for today, which you will see at the end of the video. Now on to the makeup. In case I forget to mention a product as I am going along, I am going to list everything that I use today in the description box below as usual. So if you want to see what I'm using or you want to learn more about any of the products that I use today, it will be down below for you. So I'm going to start off by priming my face and eyes. For my face, I'm using a new favorite, the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. I got this in my November BoxyCharm pop-up purchase, and this has been my go-to primer lately. For my eyes, I'm using another favorite, the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Eyeshadow Potion Primer. I'm using a Natasha Denona palette today, so I want to make sure my eye look is going to look flawless. And I can always depend on my Urban Decay primer. Next, I'm going to color correct my under eye. Ever since my surgery in October, I noticed that the inner corner of my eyes looked bruised. Now onto my brows. My brows are almost back to where they used to be before I had chemo. I can't wait because before I wouldn't have to do anything to my brows. Just brush them into place and then I was good to go. Now my brows can take me up to 20 minutes if I get really detailed. Lately I've changed my routine and I have been doing my foundation and concealer before doing my eyes. I don't know if it's just me, but it feels like my makeup routine goes faster doing it this way. Today I'm using one of my favorite drugstore foundations, the L'Oreal Pro Glow in Classic Ivory. I actually talked about this product in my last video where I go over all of my drugstore recommendations for a full face makeup routine. For my concealer, I'm using another product I've been using a lot lately. It's the CoverGirl Undercover Concealer in Light Ivory. It reminds me a lot of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, but I noticed that this one seems to have a stopper, so that way you don't go overboard with it. Which, I will be honest, I've done a lot with the e.l.f. Concealer. Before I move on to my eyes, I'm quickly going to set what I've done so far. For my under eyes, I'm using the Ofra Banana Powder with my charcoal sponge. I got both of these from BoxyCharm and really enjoy them. I especially love how the charcoal sponge is really good at soaking up any excess makeup and smoothing out any harsh lines, giving me a flawless look. For my face, I'm using Avon's Magic Dust Finishing Powder. I really want to love this product more than I do. I love how it gives my skin a soft glow look to it, but I noticed that it really accentuates my pores, which lately I've been really struggling with. Now onto the fun part, the eyes. Today I'm using the Natasha Denona Peak Palette I got in my November BoxyCharm box. I am so happy I was one of the lucky ones to get this. It's the perfect neutral palette that could be worn day or night. It's really amazing in how versatile it is, being only a 5-shade palette. In my last Get Ready With Me video, I used her Glam palette, and I've been really enjoying that palette as well. It was the perfect addition to my eyeshadow collection. It has the perfect neutral grays, and being someone who wears a lot of neutral colors in black, I'm definitely getting a lot of use out of it. I will have to say, her formulas are worth the money. They are pigmented, but they are easy to blend out. I'm excited to see what she's going to be coming out with this year. To add a pop of color, I'm using Avon's Rendezvous Gel Shadow and Liner in shade Fascinate, which is a beautiful emerald green. I'm using the Laura Lee Los Angeles liner brush so I can have more control on how thick my liner is. I want it to be thick enough where you can see it when I'm looking straight forward, but not so thick that you can't see the shadow on my lid. I wanted the perfect balance. Now I'm applying a light silver liner to my lower lash line. I'm using this shade to brighten up the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone. In my day-to-day makeup, I like to use Avon's Super Extend Nourishing Mascara. It's formulated with argan oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E, which is going to help nourish and condition my lashes. Now to finish my face makeup. For my bronzer, I'm using my all-time favorite, the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder in shade Bronze 03. This is by far the best formula and shade that I have found thus far for my bronzer. I picked this up on a whim and I am so happy I did. Now I'm using e.l.f.'s Primer Infused Blush in Always Peachy. This is a great long-lasting blush. I definitely need to use this more often. Next, I apply another drugstore fave, the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Blush Highlighter in After Sex Glow. Now to the last part of the makeup, the lips. I'll be using ColourPop today. First, lining them with a lippy pencil, and then pairing it with their ultra blotted lip. This is a perfect combo since I'll be taking my mask off and on today. Okay, so now I'm going to go get my outfit on and finish getting ready, so I will be right back. Here is my complete look for today. As you can see, I chose the Market in Spruce top. This is a perfect winter look for today. It's super comfy, but I still look put together. I paired this new top with cut from the cloth jeans. I got them from my last Stitchfix box. These have become my favorite jeans and I wear them all the time. For my shoes, I'm wearing Avon faux suede and knit bootie. These are super warm and even more comfortable with its cushioned sole. As you can see, I can roll them down and have a shorter bootie. I love using this style when I'm wearing leggings. Today though, it's super cold out, so I'm going to pull them up and keep as much of me warm as possible. As you can see, there are adjustable bows. You can tie these so they wrap around your leg perfectly. Plus, they add a cute little detail. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, you can let me know by clicking that like button or commenting down below. Remember, if you are interested in updating your wardrobe and would like to learn more about Stitch Fix or to get started, just use my referral link in the description box below and you'll receive a $25 credit that you can use towards your first box. If you have not done so already, I welcome you to join me here on my channel where we come together to share our passion for all things beauty. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.